The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to be a groundbreaking addition to DJI's acclaimed Mini series of ultralight drones, designed to blend portability with advanced technology in a compact form factor, appealing to both casual users and professional content creators alike. Building on the remarkable success of its predecessors, especially the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to deliver substantial improvements across camera capabilities, flight performance, safety systems, and intelligent features, elevating the user experience to a new level. Central to this upgrade is the introduction of a more powerful imaging system that centers around a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, a notable enhancement compared to earlier Mini models that typically featured smaller sensors. This sensor size increase allows for significantly better light gathering ability, resulting in improved image quality, greater dynamic range, and enhanced low light performance, making the Mini 5 Pro capable of capturing stunning, professional-grade aerial photographs and videos in a variety of challenging lighting conditions. Coupled with this sensor is an advanced variable aperture lens, ranging approximately from f/1.7 to f/4, providing users with creative control over depth of field and exposure settings, a feature that adds cinematic versatility for videomakers and photographers looking to craft visually compelling shots with blurred backgrounds or enhanced sharpness as desired. The camera's resolution capabilities are expected to include 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, delivering smooth, high-definition footage alongside the ability to capture 48-megapixel still images, a significant step up that caters to the demand for highly detailed aerial imagery suitable for large prints or commercial use. This focus on superior imaging marks the Mini 5 Pro as a serious tool for creators who need professional results without the bulk of larger drones. On the flight safety and obstacle avoidance front, DJI has reportedly integrated an omnidirectional obstacle sensing system into the Mini 5 Pro, which is a major leap from the more limited sensor arrays of previous models. This omnidirectional sensing setup includes a combination of front, rear, bottom, and potentially side sensors, providing a 360-degree awareness of the drone's environment. This comprehensive detection capability significantly reduces the risk of collisions by enabling the drone to autonomously sense and avoid obstacles in its flight path in real time. DJI's proprietary Advanced Pilot Assistance System APAS 5.0 is expected to further augment this capability, allowing the Mini 5 Pro to intelligently navigate around objects, rerouting its trajectory smoothly and maintaining a safe flight course even in complex, obstacle-dense environments like urban settings, forests, or indoor spaces. This advancement not only increases flight safety for beginners, but also grants experienced pilots the confidence to explore more creative or challenging aerial shots without worrying excessively about collisions. Furthermore, the robust obstacle avoidance system ensures the drone remains compliant with stricter regulatory frameworks worldwide, where such safety features are increasingly mandated. Despite its compact and lightweight build, weighing under the critical 249-gram threshold that exempts it from mandatory registration in many countries, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer impressive flight endurance, surpassing earlier Mini models significantly. A major factor contributing to this is the incorporation of a larger battery with an estimated capacity of about 33.5 Wh, nearly doubling the battery size compared to the Mini 3 Pro's 18.9 Wh. This larger battery capacity is projected to deliver a maximum flight time of up to 45 minutes on a single charge under ideal conditions, a remarkable feat for a drone in this class. Extended flight time is essential for content creators who require longer airborne periods to capture expansive scenes, conduct multiple takes, or cover events without interruption. Moreover, the enhanced battery capacity also improves flight stability and power delivery, enabling the drone to maintain steady flight in moderate wind conditions and perform more responsive maneuvers, which is crucial for dynamic videography and precision photography. The combination of extended flight duration and improved power management makes the Mini 5 Pro an ideal companion for travel, adventure, and professional assignments where portability cannot come at the expense of performance. Portability remains a hallmark of the Mini series, and the Mini 5 Pro continues this tradition by maintaining a foldable design that easily fits into backpacks or even large pockets, ensuring maximum convenience for on-the-go use. Its sub-249-gram weight class not only eases regulatory burdens, but also allows users to carry the drone without the need for cumbersome equipment or permits, encouraging spontaneous flights and exploration. This design philosophy appeals greatly to travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, vloggers, and content creators who seek a lightweight, easy-to-use aerial imaging device that does not compromise on capability. Despite its small size, the drone's build quality is expected to be rugged and weather-resistant, capable of withstanding everyday use and moderate environmental conditions, providing durability without adding unnecessary bulk. The emphasis on portability, combined with professional-grade features, underscores DJI's goal to democratize aerial photography, enabling high-quality content creation for a wide spectrum of users. On the connectivity side, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to feature the latest in transmission technology to ensure a stable, long-range and low-latency connection between the drone and its controller. Reports suggest an extended transmission range of up to 25 kilometers, surpassing the Mini 3 Pro's approximate 20-kilometer limit, affording pilots much greater freedom to explore vast landscapes, conduct surveying, or film expansive events from a safe distance. Enhanced signal reliability is crucial for maintaining control in areas with potential radio interference, such as urban environments or areas with dense wireless device usage. The inclusion of 5G connectivity support is rumored, which would further enhance data transfer speeds, control responsiveness, and video feed quality, ensuring a smooth piloting experience and crisp live view feeds. These improvements allow users to better monitor their shots in real time, make instant adjustments, and avoid flight risks due to signal loss. The drone is also expected to feature dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless integration with DJI's mobile applications, enabling easy firmware updates, remote control, and quick sharing of captured media. Controlling the Mini 5 Pro is set to be an upgraded experience as well, with the inclusion of DJI's latest RC2 Pro controller. This new controller features an integrated 5.5-inch high-brightness touchscreen display, eliminating the need to mount and connect a separate smartphone to view live video and telemetry data. This all-in-one design simplifies the user interface, reduces setup time, and provides a more ergonomic control scheme, especially beneficial for on-location shooting where speed and efficiency are critical. The touchscreen offers intuitive access to flight settings, camera controls, and intelligent flight modes, allowing pilots to focus on creativity rather than fiddling with complicated menus. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a transformative drone that redefines what an ultralight quadcopter can do. Its advancements in camera technology, obstacle avoidance, flight endurance, and intelligent features make it an attractive option for anyone serious about aerial imaging, from casual users seeking stunning travel footage to professionals demanding high-quality, reliable performance in a compact package. The drone's expected launch around late 2025 is highly anticipated within the drone community, and early indications suggest it will set a new standard for portable drones. DJI's relentless innovation continues to push the boundaries, making high-end aerial photography and videography accessible to more users than ever before, with the Mini 5 Pro exemplifying this vision through its impressive blend of portability, power, and smart technology.